Welcome back. This is going to be an unboxing video, and at the same time I'm going to be putting on the screen how much you'll be saving if you purchase this holiday gift set by Estee Lauder. I used to work for Estee Lauder in the past before as a counter manager and also a beauty advisor. So I know the worth of this product I'm presenting to you today.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be.
Ladies, please don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video. The gift item, the gift holiday gift set that you're looking on the screen right now costs $75. The Bronze Goddess cream that you're looking at right now that I'm presenting to you, it's not part of the gift holiday gift set. This I actually purchased it different because I've been longing to have it. Unfortunately for me, when I was on the website, they have it on clearance now, so I purchased it. So it's not part of it, all right? Didn't want to waste too much time on about this, so I just started to bring it out of the box to show you all, to let you see how it's looking. All right, I also went ahead to open it so that you can see how creamy and so rich this moisturizer is. The bomb, like it works like magic. It just moisturizes the back of my hand. The moment I applied it, I just wanted you to see that. Remember, this is not part of the unboxing that we're about to do. I just wanted to show you this just in case you want to purchase it also. This clip will move on to the main focus of today, which is the Estee Lauder holiday gift set, which include 9 full sets favorite plus 3 deluxe travel size. So those are the content in the makeup bag. And let's talk about that makeup storage bag. You can actually use it to store your makeup after you have removed or after you finished every content inside of it. Ladies, this is a full size. This is their advanced night repair eyes subcharged complex synchronized recovery. So ladies, from this clip, I decided to put the full sizes and the travel sizes beside each other from now on in order not to prolong the video. Ladies, I want to tell you about this serum quickly. This serum is amazing. Like if you don't have enough sleep, just mix it with your under eye concealer and it's going to give you that wow wake up look. So ladies, with this gift set, you have the option of picking any choice of your moisturizer. It could be the Revitalizing Supreme, which I am featuring right now, or it could be the Resilience Multi-Effect Cream. So the choice is yours. Ladies, because these lipsticks are specifically meant for this gift set, I couldn't find the retail price separately on their page, but you all can tell from the beginning of the prices I've been putting on the screen, this gift set's worth it. $75, and look at all we are getting in it. So I couldn't find the retail price for the palette that you're looking now on the screen. They are actually made for the gift set as well. So I could not find the retail price, but they are the 2 Pure Color Envy palettes in Candy Glow, also in Candy Glam. We have 9 shades in each palette. We have 18 essential shades in all for eyes and cheek.